My name is Sridevi. This is Smily Kiddos and Mic Bag stall we have. We have school bags like school bags and lunch bags and lunch boxes and water bottles, everything like kids products, stationery products, everything. And Mic Bags is our own website and own manufacturer. We have in Instagram smilykiddos.com and micbags.com. Yeah, we have store in the AMB mall. We do corporate event also, corporate giftings, and we'll do return giftings also. We'll get orders in Smiley Kiddos website also. And in this event, we are participating. It is okay, and we'll participate in events also, like in Taj Deccan, every event in malls also will participate.